Hi, y'all. Liz here with your Daily Lizard, and it is also Toolbox Thursday. So today I want to talk about 3 pieces of software that you really need to have to be able to scale your business. The first one is a field software management type software. I prefer Maid Central. You might have ZenMaid or Jobber. I don't know what you have. The customer factor, but you need something that can completely manage all of the operations for your company. So something that can handle your scheduling and your quality and all the other pieces that you need to manage. All right. So first thing, field service management. Again, I prefer Maid Central. The second one is a CRM. You need to have something that you can use to schedule recurring tasks. And the one I prefer currently is Go High Level. A lot of people are using this. The reason I prefer it is simple. I like everything to be super, super simple. If it starts getting too complicated, I'm out. All right. And then the third thing is you need a communication software. You need some way to be able to communicate with your field technicians, the people in your office. As our industry gets more and more sophisticated, we need to be able to have tools to be able to communicate in much different ways than we have in the past, because we will not be seeing all of our employees every single day, and will not be able to build relationships in the ways that we have in the recent past. So you need a good communication platform. Now, I don't love any of them, y'all, but Slack is probably the most widely used. And find something. If you don't like Slack, find something similar to Slack. Discord, Flock, and Troop are 3 other platforms that a lot of people use. All right. So find one of these 3 software tools that you know you need to either start using, use better, etc. And for today, the daily action that I'd like for you to have today is set up 1 recurring task in your CRM. If you don't have a CRM yet, then your recurring task is get that CRM. Find it, research it, buy it, start using it. All right, that's it for today, and hope to see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.